What's up, foodies? Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled tomato salad that's perfect for any summer gathering. The grilled tomato salad packed with juicy tomatoes, grilled peppers, and salty feta cheese. This salad is sure to be a hit at your next barbecue. So let's get into it. On a large pan or metal tray, spread out the chopped tomatoes and sliced green peppers. Then drizzle 1 cup of olive oil over the tomatoes and peppers, ensuring they are well coated. I know 1 cup seems like a lot, but olive oil is flavorful and it really adds to this dish. Evenly sprinkle over 1 cup of feta cheese across the top. You want to use some good quality feta cheese here. It really makes a difference. Now season with some freshly ground cracked pepper and then 1 tablespoon of oregano. Depending how salty your feta is, you can add a bit of salt to your tomatoes if needed. Now place the tray onto the grill. Now cook this for 10 to 15 minutes or until the tomatoes are tender and have released their juices. You'll want to watch this closely to avoid burning and ensure the feta is nicely warmed and melted. Carefully remove the pan from the grill and allow it to cool for a few minutes. This dish is best served immediately with lots of bread, making sure you soak up all the juices from the tomato and the olive oil. This recipe is perfect for summer gatherings, offering a delicious blend of fresh and grilled flavors. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and until next time, foodie out.